Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with New Leaf, and we have a ton of jalapeno peppers that we need to do something with. So I either need to can them, which I don't know how to do that. I need to learn to can. Freeze them, which I do know how to freeze, but I was thinking maybe we can make some jalapeno poppers. So my son has informed me that these things are really hot this year. Sometimes we grow these jalapeno peppers and they're really not that spicy, but apparently this year they really are. So I'm just gonna make a few. I have about a half a dozen here, which I'm gonna cut in half, so that will make 12 poppers. So I cut them in half, and now I'm going to take all the seeds out. That's actually where most of the heat is in peppers. So I had to get my stool out so I can get my bowl to mix up all my ingredients. So the recipe I'm using actually called for 6 ounces of cream cheese softened, 6 ounces of extra sharp cheddar cheese, and 2 tablespoons of onions. I had some chives left over from the other day, so instead of the onions, I threw those in there, and I'm using Colby Jack cheese and then the cream cheese. Since I'm only doing 6 jalapeno peppers, everything in here is half. Stuff these with that. By the way, as I was taking the seeds out, it was tearing me up and choking me, so they're pretty spicy. I need to be very careful not to pick up my 4-week-old grandson because I don't want this transferring onto him. So I have them all stuffed. And by the way, if you wanted to, you could cut off a little, like shave a little bit from the back to make it a little flatter so it wouldn't roll so much, but I think we're going to be okay here. Now it's time. I'm going to air fry them for 12 minutes on 400 degrees. If you wanted to just bake them, that would be 425 for about 15 to 18 minutes. While I'm waiting for these to cook, I was looking up how to get the hot oil from the jalapeno peppers off your hands, and one of the things they said is to use something like maybe Dawn, a degreaser type detergent. Something else was baking soda, but I'm gonna do that, but at the same time I'm gonna actually be very careful and probably not pick him up for a little bit. He's only 4 weeks old today. So we have about 14 seconds left, and it looks like they are done. Oh, they look good. They all look good. Which one? I'm gonna let them cool a little bit. All right, so I picked one up and set it aside to cool, and then I licked my fingers. They're gonna be pretty hot. So these are the 2 I've picked out. This one's a red one, this one's a green one. From what I understand, the red ones are supposed to be hotter. I'm gonna try this one first. All right, here's the green one. Good. There is a little kick to it, and it's like, okay, now it's kicking in. They're pretty spicy. One thing that you're not supposed to do if you eat something spicy is to drink water because it just makes it worse. Supposedly milk is to help. I'm not a milk drinker. I'll try this chocolate almond milk though. It works. Now for the red one. I hate hot. I don't think this one was hot as the green one. Now it's kicking in. The milk does cut that heat a little bit. Now I'm gonna have my family try these and see what they think. I would do this again. It was very good. It was a very easy recipe. We do like spicy food. I mean, we live in Louisiana, so, you know. Anyway, if you like spicy food, I recommend you try this recipe. And I want to thank y'all for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with New Leaf signing out for now. Bye-bye. Update. So they were a hit. They're already all gone. So I'm out here. Starting to rain. Before it rains a little too much, I'm going to start picking up some more of these peppers and make some more.